Hey there, it's Stefan van der Vlek speaking to you, and in this video you're going to discover the post engagement feature for Instagram. So let me just hop in right away. First things first, I'm going to navigate to dashboard right here, and from the dashboard I'm immediately going over to the capture features right here and then navigate to post engagement. Click on it. As you can see, I've not created any post engagement yet. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to click on create new right here. And as you can see, if you successfully integrated Instagram on your Facebook page, you can now select Instagram from the dropdown right here. That means that all your Facebook Messenger post engagements and the Instagram post engagement are featured in the same post engagement manager table. Now, the next thing I want to do is basically give it a name. I'm going to call it post engagement number 1. And there we go. Then click on confirm, and this redirects us to the post engagement builder. And this loads up all the posts for this specific account. Conveniently, I only have one post right here, and this is the one we are going to use for this demo. As you can see on the left right here, it looks a little bit different as opposed to what you have seen with the post engagement feature for Facebook Messenger, although this has been changed as well, which will be elaborated on in a later video. We actually upgraded the feature for Facebook Messenger too, and it now looks similar to what you see right here on the Instagram side of things. Now, what has changed? Everything is under the settings tab right here, and what we can see right here under the auto response tab is that there is now a reply in comments. What we can see from the Facebook Messenger side of things, you can also toggle a switch which automatically likes the comment from the person that leaves a comment on your Facebook fan page post. However, for Instagram, that feature is not available yet. Once it is available to us, we obviously push that feature out to you guys as well. Right now, we can simply reply in the comments as well. So what we are going to do first, let me just take you over to settings right here and go over each and every feature. Like Facebook Messenger post engagement, you can exclude certain comments with the keywords you specify in right here. For example, if you have the keyword red and a comment features the keyword red or the word red rather, then the settings, the private reply and the auto response will not trigger. It also works the other way around. For example, if you want to trigger the comments and the private reply for a specific keyword, then you basically put it in right here. For example, if you want to trigger the comments and the private reply for the word blue, you basically put in the word blue right here, and it will only trigger for people that put in the word blue. If you want to trigger it for each and every person that leaves a comment on your Instagram post, then just leave this as is. You don't have to do anything right here. You can actually read that right here from the question marks as well. And from there, we can actually see the private reply post engagement right here. And this is where we are going to select a single message because we can only send a single message out with this specific feature. That's why we already made sure that on the flow picker, you can only choose a single message. Then from select flow, we want to select the single message in. We are going to select post engagement. This is a flow I already created before recording this video. So let me click on that right here. And then I'm going to go with text card number 1. I want to send out the private reply immediately after someone leaves a comment on the post. However, you can also choose from seconds, minutes, or the amount of hours. So if you do so, you can simply specify the amount of seconds right here. If you want that right here, we are going to go with immediately. I can click on open preview right here and I can see which message will be sent out once a person comments. It will say, hey, thanks for your comment. Here's a discount coupon you can use to take 10% off your purchase. Smiley face. One thing to notice is that you cannot use any first name or last name text when using a post engagement widget. They first need to reply to this comment, and then you're allowed to use those personalization tags like first name and last name. So make sure that the first message you send out with the post engagement widget does not have a first name tag, for example. Moving on, as we can see right now, we have everything set up right here. I'm moving over to auto response right here and simply add in a comment. You can actually type up to 10 comments right here, and Clever Messenger will randomly pick one comment from the list. However, I'm gonna keep things simple right here and simply say something like, thanks for your comment. And there we go. This is the reply that will be pasted to the actual comment. Now, the only thing that is left is basically selecting the post, right? So what we can do is basically attach these settings we set up right here to apply to all the posts. That means all the past and future posts. And if you want to do so, you simply click on that catch all posts right here, and you're immediately set up for each and every future post and all the past posts on your Instagram account. However, what I want to do is basically click on this little thing right here so that it only applies to this post right here. So what I'm going to do next is basically click on save, make sure that the toggle right here is enabled, and we should be off to the races. So what I'm going to do next is basically switch over to my Instagram account, find this account, Clever Messenger Docs, and then comment on this post, and that should give us a private reply and the reply on our comment under the post as well. All right, cool. So I'm now logged into my Instagram account. As you can see in the bottom right, there's my profile picture. And I'm already on this account right here called Clever Messenger Docs, which is the account we use in our setup of the post engagement widget for Instagram. So I'm going to simply click on the post right here and set up a comment. Let's say, hi, cool post. And let's see what happens. As you can see right there, it already sent out the private reply. So that's what I'm going to showcase first, as you can see right here. And this is the thing Clever Messenger just sent out. So, hi, thanks for your comment. Here's a discount coupon you can use to take 10% off your purchase. And that's the exact message we selected as a private reply. So let me navigate back to the post and see if Clever Messenger actually replied to my comment as well. Right, so let's take a look if the comment actually posted. Yeah, there we go. As you can see right here, it says a post from me, hi, cool post. And then the Clever Messenger Docs Instagram account actually stated the comment. Thanks for your comment. Next to sending out a private reply instantly, you can actually send a comment to anyone who comments to your Instagram posts as well. Pretty cool stuff. All right, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.